Alright, what's up YouTube? Today, we're working on this guy right here.
This guy right here.
And we're going to be doing whatever the hell we want because he is not picky about his hair. So, without further ado, let's get to this video. What's up guys, the Clouded Barber back at it with another tutorial. My client didn't want to touch the top of his hair at all. He just wanted a nice half guard on the side, nice half guard fade, you know. So what we're doing now with our wall magic clips is we threw a number 2 on and we're taking down the bulk. So taking down the bulk is very important because you don't want to go straight in with a half guard because your half guard definitely won't go through bulk hair. It will, but it'll probably jam more than likely. So what we're currently doing is going and taking off the bulk with a number 2. And as you can also tell, I'm combing the top of his hair where his parting is, so I don't surpass that and cut any of the top of the hair on top of his head. So now I'm going in with a half guard, closed, creating my first guideline. And as you can tell guys, the back of his hair grows a different direction, so I can't just go up with it, I kind of have to go sideways. So wherever the hair is growing, you have to go in that direction to make sure it's all taken off correctly. Alright, now we got our number 1 guard open to create our second guideline. Going out probably about 1/2 inch. Now we got the lever half closed, and we're just working out that initial guideline we created with our half guard. Try not to go too high into the second guideline that we just created. Now we got our lever fully closed, and we're just working at that initial guideline, guys. Now we're going in with our half guard, fully open lever, using the corner of our clipper, just to feather out that initial guideline that we created with our half guard closed. Now we have the half guard half closed, again just feathering at the initial guideline that we originally created. Lever fully closed, and we're just tapping at that guideline, guys. Try not to go above that, or we will create another guideline that we're gonna have to erase, which is totally unnecessary. I just saw some dark spots here, guys, so I'm just going in being a little more detailed. So now we got the 1 guard fully open. What we're doing here is we're going into our number 2 guard, but not trying to take it too high. Now we got our lever half closed. Just using the corners of our clippers, guys. Just trying to fade out that second guideline that we created until it completely vanishes into the haircut. Now we're going in with our 1.5 guard fully open, creating our third guideline. Now we got our 1.5 guard half closed. Just working out our third guideline, guys. Softening it up. Now we got our lever fully closed, removing our third guideline. So now it's just a little bit of polish work. I was looking over the haircut and I saw some dark spots, so I decided to go back in with my 1 guard open, 1 guard half closed, and 1 guard fully closed. Just take out any dark spots that I saw that I missed. Went back in with my half guard fully open, half closed and closed, again using the corners of my clipper to take out any dark spots that I could have missed earlier. Alright, now we're with the hitters, baby. We got those gold effects. We're just going in with the lineup now. We're just tightening up those vertical bars. Be careful, guys, don't push the lineup back. Always keep it as natural as possible. And my client told me that he's got a condition called dermatographia, which is also known as skin writing. When people have dermatographia, lightly scratch their skin, the scratches redden into like raised welts similar to hives, and these marks usually disappear within 30 minutes. Alright, now we're hitting them with that nice tight C cup. Alright. Cleaning up real nice. Now just lining them up in the back, keeping it nice and tight. Just making sure we don't push that hairline back. And as you can see, we're taking the hairline up to about just a little over half of the back of the ear. Now we're continuing the hairline from the front of the ear. And connecting both sides. So we get a nice, even, round cut around the ear. Boom, we got the Tune 45 shave gel and the Tune 45 triple cartridge razor. Right, now we're just gonna lather them up with that awesome shave gel. This stuff smells great, guys. Full of aloe, vitamin E. I highly suggest this stuff, guys. Here, we're going in with our razor, cleaning up all the lines, making sure we're giving them that skin tight, razor sharp hairline, guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at The Clouded Barber. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, share the video. And if you have any constructive criticism, anything you liked in this video, anything you'd like to see in the future, leave it in the comment section below, guys. Thank you. So here we're basically taking the exact same steps on this side of the head that we took on the other side of the head. Except we're just speeding it up a little bit, guys, so we're not wasting too much time. hitting him with the gold FX, creating our first bald guideline. Now we got our wall magic clips, lever half close, creating our second guideline. Lever close with no guard. Now we're working out our bald guideline. Just flicking at it. Try not to take it too high. Fully open, no guard, creating our third guideline. Lever half closed, working out our second guideline. Now it's just lever play, guys. Alright, half guard, half open. Basically working it into the rest of our haircut, since we are originally starting the fade off with the half guard. Now we're back in with a little polish work. No guard, open, half closed, and closed. Alright, now we got our gold FX and we're just working out that bald guideline that we originally created. Now we're going in on the beard, guys. We got a number 2 fully closed, going with the grain, just taking off the straggly hairs, cleaning them up. We don't want to go against the grain as he requested because it will take bulk off, which he does not want. Now we got the one guard fully open, starting at the lobe of the ear and working our way up. Half closed, about mid-ear, fully closed, about top of ear. Just fading everything in nicely, guys. Now we got our gold FX, lining them all up, creating that perfect beard line. Just cleaning up the beard by the ear, making sure we don't push it too far in. Keeping those lines nice and sharp. They're just taking off a little bit of bulk underneath the jawline. He requested that not be so heavy. So just taking off a little bit of length. It's very important, guys. You don't want to take the mustache too high, look very unnatural. You want to keep it as natural as possible, just so the hair is not hanging over the lip. So my client requested that I don't cut around his jawline. He preferred me cut below his jawline, keeping the beard looking nice and full. we're going in with that Tune 45 no drip, black brown, and the @Sean Cuts hair color card. Make sure you follow him on YouTube and Instagram, guys. I'll leave a link in the description below. Man, dude is looking fresh right now. Damn. Hitting that C cup. Now we're going in with our Tune 45 triple cartridge razor. Just making that beard line pop. Just giving it that 3D effect. Here's the final product, guys. I hope you like it. Alright guys, well I hope you liked that video. It's pretty simple, but you know, haircut's a haircut, right? So step by step. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe, like, and you guys saw it without the enhancement and with the enhancement. Please comment below. Let me know if you guys like it with the enhancement or without it, or even personally what you guys do as barbers. So again,
subscribe, like, and hit him up on Instagram at the Clouded Barber. He knows his shit. Get it.
That's it, guys. Till next video. We'll see you then. All right. Ciao.